I would like to thank Portugal Air Summit for this venue and also for the smart timing. In a period when we are tempted to draw back and let the virus take control of our industry. I think this was a really perfect timing, having an air summit. I think it's the only one in the year actually, and it was really a good move. A way to do not let things going on and in some way starting again the engine of aviation. We have gathered experts from the industry to deal with a very complicated subject, that is the aviation mandate, in a period where we see the problem of the economy. And we have people from France, from USA, from Netherlands, and Portugal to deal with this panel that demonstrate this really international aspect of it, but also experts from the avionics, from the air operations, from the ATN, ANSPs, to deal with this. And it's all about the future of aviation. If aviation has been a very successful industry, it is because it is really using innovation. So the perspective of mandates have different levels. It is from the global level, that is ICAO, dealing with this aspect of the whole world and getting these interoperability systems, but also from a very important region of the Earth, that is about the USA and the program, this transformational program that is NEXTGEN, but also from EASA's standpoint and the SESAR program master plan. So, you know, mandate is really a complicated subject. It's about a long, complicated, decade-lasting process